Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sketch out a drawing of a cute cat in a boot. But before we get started, do not forget to watch the full video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at artswithsanna. Without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Also, I might not be talking much during the drawing tutorial, since on my drawing tutorial videos I don't really talk as much since it's self-explanatory. So I will meet you guys right at the end of the video. So here is the completed sketch of a cute cat in the boot. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at artswithsanna. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.